So, meron ba silang aabangan dito sa Singapore na kakaiba?
Yeah, good question. So Singapore currently is the largest venue namin outside the Philippines. So we
Yeah.
almost have 6,600 plus
And we are now
seats
4,000
registered.
plus.
Yes,
4,000 plus na
yes. We're
tayo.
nearing 70% na.
Wow.
We only have few seats left. So yun, yung aabangan talaga, we're trying to make it the grandest international show since we have the biggest venue, no, and biggest capacity. And we have a lot of new surprises coming soon.
Pwede ka bang
Abangan nyo
magbigay
yan,
ng
guys.
kwan? Pwede ka bang magbigay ng parang pa-teaser lang para at least matuwa naman yung mga
Mm.
viewers natin o
Naku,
ma-excite naman
maganda.
sila.
Oo, ayoko pangunahan pero one of these days, abangan nila